Following the remarkable success of its debut season, House of David has officially been renewed for Season 2 by Amazon Prime Video. The biblical drama captured the attention of audiences worldwide, racking up over 22 million views within the first 17 days of its release in February 2025. With its gripping storytelling, stunning visuals, and a strong cast, the show has firmly established itself as a top-tier historical drama. Season 1 Recap. Season 1 of House of David chronicled the early life of David, the legendary figure from the Bible, and built up to his epic confrontation with the giant Goliath. Played by Michael Iskander, David was portrayed as a humble shepherd chosen by the prophet Samuel, Stephen Lang, and opposed by King Saul, Ali Suleiman. The season explored themes of faith, prophecy, courage, and divine destiny. It ended with David's iconic victory over Goliath, setting the stage for his ascent to the throne of Israel. Season 2 Plot Expectations. Season 2 will pick up after David's triumph over Goliath, diving into the political and personal turmoil that comes with being a rising hero in a fragile kingdom. David's relationship with King Saul becomes more strained, while new characters and power struggles are expected to emerge. The show will likely explore David's rising popularity and the jealousy it sparks within Saul's court, his deepening bond with Jonathan, Saul's son, romantic tension with Michael, Saul's daughter, the beginning of David's long and complicated path toward becoming king. Returning cast and crew. The main cast from Season 1 is expected to return. Michael Iskander as David, Ali Suleiman as Saul, Stephen Lang as Samuel, Ayelet Zurer as Queen Ahinoam, Indy Lewis as Michael, Ethan Kai as Jonathan, Davud Gadami as Eliab. The show's original creators, John Erwin and John Gunn, are also returning to ensure the continuity of the narrative and style. Production and release date. Filming for Season 2 is already underway, with production taking place across scenic locations in Greece and Alberta, Canada, including Kappa Studios, Ancient Messini, and Calgary's CL Western Town. While no official release date has been confirmed, it is expected that House of David Season 2 could premiere in late 2025 or early 2026. Final thoughts. With the foundation laid by Season 1, House of David Season 2 promises to be even more dramatic and emotionally charged. Fans of historical epics and biblical tales have plenty to look forward to. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to channel, subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out latest videos of Media Breakdown.